So guys, we're at Mount Yasur volcano. I don't know if you saw that molten lava spat up into the sky. It kind of looks like Mount Doom up here. Super, super cool. Peter's having a good time, as you can tell. Yeah. Jeez. So guys, I'm not doing a very good job of being cameraman today because I've missed a few really big explosions. Peter is faring a bit better. Peter, say hi.
Hello. Wow.
Sorry.
Sorry, yeah.
He's got some really amazing shots. There goes one.
Oh, that was good. That was good.
But yeah, I unfortunately missed a huge explosion before that went all the way up, and for a second everybody was actually panicking because it looks like it was heading directly for us. So there was a bit of a tense moment where everyone was like, do we run? Do we stay? But luckily it landed somewhere down there. But yeah, it's pretty incredible.